Some people sneeze when they look at bright light. It's called photic sneeze reflex, affecting about 1 in 3 people worldwide. The sneeze happens because your brain gets confused when signals from your eyes cross paths with signals from your nose. When bright light hits your eyes, it triggers the same nerve that handles your sneezing reflex. Scientists think it's genetic, and while harmless, it can be annoying, especially for drivers and pilots who suddenly face bright sunlight. The reflex was even given a creative scientific name: autosomal compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst syndrome, or HU for short. Now that's what I call clever naming.